Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. This is our 2019 38-foot Boston Whaler Outrage. We're going to take a walk around the boat, look at the outside, then we'll go through, take a look at the inside. I'll point out the options to you. They're also available online. Boat, polished stainless anchor. Has a windlass, obviously. Boat has not yet been bottom painted. Gray boot stripe, chrome graphics, dive door on the side, triple 300 Verados, underwater lights, looks like 4 of them. Boat does have the sunshade with a new cover on the back. There is a hatch to the hardtop. Very well thought out, well optioned boat. What we'll do is go inside and take a walk through. As we walk up inside our 2019 38, we'll see this is a triple 350 Verado boat. Boat is joystick. Does have the joystick warning lights in the back. Boat does have underwater lights. Has not yet been bottom painted. Your boarding ladder. Walk through transom, fresh water, and fresh water for the engine flushes. This boat does have the engine flush option. Mezzanine style seating in the cockpit. Back folds down for either a wine and cheese table or a bait rigging station. This boat does have side seating, aft seating. There are tables stored under the deck in the pump room where the generator is. It's a live well in the transom. It's also a live well under the seat. There's your boarding door on the side with a little handle that comes around. Boarding ladder goes right in there, which is stored under the seat. There is your freshwater engine flush with instructions on it. Great feature. This boat does have a sunshade. Cockpit lighting. A little hatch to get up in the hardtop. Rod storage. Rod holders in the gunnel. Take a quick 360 look around at the gunnel with the combing and the rod holders. Big subwoofer speaker on the side. Refrigerator. At the helm, 3 helm seats, middle one being electric, tilt wheel with a knob, Raymarine twin screens, my picture and the reflection there, fusion stereo, push to start, trim tabs, there's our joystick with the sky hook. If you haven't experienced the joystick with the sky hook, you owe it to yourself. It changes boating. Mercury smart gauges, a large glove box, a defroster button for the front windshield. There are defrosters for the front windshield. One-piece front windshield with a vent. Great option. Just keeps the weather off you. There's our cabin. Stored in the cabin are some covers. Our open array radar. We're just coming out of winter. It is storage mode. There's our sink with the bowl. We'll open the door to the head. There's your head. Forgot about the rod holders on the side, which go forward. 38-foot boat with the head inside the console. Really saves the day sometimes. As we go forward, we have our large lounge with the armrests, with the cup holders. And a USB port. Forward, we have our table, our high-low table. Cushions obviously go on here. Seats come up. Gives you two separate areas for entertaining. Really a great feature in this boat. Forward, we have the windlass. Not only windlass, the reason I open it is you have freshwater, you have the remote for the windlass, you have lighting, you have an emergency handle, and you have a safety line. Extremely well thought out. Pop-up cleats, some more rod holders. Take a look at the hardtop. Recessed nav lighting on either side. Large storage underneath the life jackets, buckets, cores, the cushion that goes over the table to make a second lounge area. The table is electric, does go down, switches are right here to make it go up and down with a 12-volt outlet and another stereo control. There's also storage under the seats forward. Very well thought out. Something you find about a Boston whaler. It goes back to their motto. The switch is near the table, wash down's near the door, the boarding ladder is right where you need it. You're not going searching for what you need on this boat. Very well thought out. Great running boat too. The 38, plenty of power. Tackle storage on the side. Boat is here in Ocean View, New Jersey. About a half an hour below Atlantic City, 15 minutes north of Cape May. Call us, email us. Boat is available. Thank you.